Now I would like to encourage you to read Mark 11, because in Mark 11 you find how Jesus comes into Jerusalem and how he enters into the city, and it seems like he's taking possession as a Prince of Peace. A Prince of Peace, because if you read the whole background, you will realize that Jesus Christ came in peace the first time, because he comes riding in a donkey, as he was prophesied. The second time that Jesus Christ will return, he will not return in peace. He will return riding a horse. A horse is a symbol for war, battle, judgment, to put things in order, because earth is a chaos, it's a marketplace. So we find that Jesus comes in peace and he is rejected. In the same story, we find that Jesus Christ kicks out of the temple everyone who is doing of his house of prayer a market. Be aware of how many Christians make the house of God a market. That is to say, not a house of prayer. But then we find another story concerning this tree, where Jesus curses this tree. The teaching here is very interesting because he's showing to us how faith with prayer and forgiveness, there are no limits to it. We have limits as human beings, but with faith, there are not limitations. The potentiality of faith is huge. So you want to read this again. And the last thing in Mark 11, we find how Jesus is being questioned about his authority. But here we find that he responds by making him another question. He will respond the question if they respond his question. Sometimes we want to ask a question when we have been asked a question. It is interesting. Take a look at it, read it for yourselves, and find these 4 beautiful things in Mark 11. Please share this short video with your friends, and I see you next time. Bye. Bye for now.